We're going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm so freaking excited. I'm so excited for this. It's a very special package for me. It's my first luxury handbag. I mean, it's a Louis bag, okay? So oh god. I have postponed opening this for you guys, so this is gonna be my real I'm coming up my address. I don't want to, that's so come here. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Guys, look. As we open it up, this is Louis Vuitton. Okay. You guys see that? You see it? Oh. I can't wait for you guys to see what bag I got. I didn't know it was going to be this hard. Okay, so there's that box. This box, put that down. And then you have this card. I think this is probably the receipt. The paper, it's a really nice quality paper, if anyone cares. And then in here, it's like a thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, exchange and returns, your receipt, and if you want to return it, you have the little sticker thing to return it. Let's put all that back. I'm like, I don't know. I'm excited to see how it looks. Okay, then this is how the box looks. It's not too heavy. There's this thing on here. What is this? This little card. Don't know what this is. Okay, it doesn't have anything in it. An empty. I don't know if this is supposed to have something. Like, what the heck? It's just like an empty thing. Does this open up? It's just weird. Maybe it opens up and I'm tripping. Nope. Does not do anything. It's just a blank card. Okay? Blank card for you. Okay, so let me move this up so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So you won't be like, yeah. I'm going to move it up to my face level so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright, so this was the thing I was talking about on here. It has nothing in it. It's just empty. Okay, so we're opening this thing now. Oh, I think it's just like a placeholder for them to like wrap this around. I've undid the ribbons. It's undid. Wow. She's undoing it. It's undid. Ribbons is gone. The box feels so nice. Like, I love the texture. And the ribbons are off. This is gonna be one of those magnetic boxes, as I've seen. Magnetic. Ooh. Okay. It comes in a dust bag. Okay. I'm excited. Well. And it says Louis Vuitton on it. Has an interesting smell. Lord, please let me not be disappointed. There's a few little speckles on the dust bag. I don't know what that is. Has an interesting like smell to it. Don't know. Okay, let's open this up. Oh wow. Look. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow. Oh gosh, it feels so squishy. and like nice. Look at the canvas. I'm inspecting it right now because this costs a pretty penny. Oh, it's so cute. Making sure, so it has the zipper at the back. Let's see how it opens. Okay. It's opening good. Canvas inside. Alright. This is the part people were talking about. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on the front, and you open from one side. I watched too many videos, okay? Opens up like that. Okay, everything feels good. Feels nice. It's really cute. You know, I love me a strap. But what's this in here? It says textile unduit coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining, Louis Vuitton Paris. It says that on a little card. Pochette Metis, MNNVMNG. Whatever this means. This is in there too. And here's the strap. Okay, look at the strap. Somebody was complaining that the strap was too stiff. That doesn't feel like super stiff to me. Okay. I'm looking at all of the materials and stuff. It's cute. It's very cutesy. Very, very cutesy. So that's the strap. Let's go inside. Inside is just regular. Is this suede? I don't know what this material is. It's just empty. You can see inside. I'm really very satisfied with this. There's nothing else in here. Yeah. Let me close it. Do I know how to close it? That's the question. Alright, let's put the straps on. I'm like, I don't know what else to say. Like, here's the bag. I think it's really cute. Like, I think I have to see it on myself. I've always wanted a crossbody bag if I'm gonna get a bag, because I'm more of like a functional type of person. So things have to have a purpose and a function for me. I can't just be wearing a bag just because. So here is the bag with the strappy strap. Let me take this one down. With the strap on it now. This is how it looks. Oh God, I think it's so divine. And it's actually a pretty like big size. This is a big bag for me. Like most of my bags aren't this big. So I can carry a lot of stuff in here, and I'm sure this will be very extremely functional. Like I can use it for so much stuff. I'm wondering how this is supposed to work though. This strap thing. Is the strap supposed to be inside like this? I don't know. Anyways, let's see how it looks on me with my outfit right now. This is probably how I would wear it. I would wear it across my body like this. Booty shot. I think I need to lengthen it. Make it a little bit longer. But so far it just looks so good. It's such a cute little baby. Cute little baby. Look at her. Look at how cute she is. Let's see. This is how it looks on me. All right. There it is. There it goes. I love the gold. And it's just, I don't know if you can tell, it's popping. Alright, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video. I'm very, very satisfied with this bag, and I will definitely be showing on my Instagram hopefully soon how I'm styling this bag. I'm just happy. Like, it feels so good. It's nice and durable and soft. This is gonna be like a lifetime bag. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Fine pass, all of the girls with it, they are. And I know where I feel.